Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're using another technique I showed before called the flip-flap card, but this time using more current items. So I use the Ready Rhino set. You're built tough, and then you pull this. You're stronger than you think. So it just flip-flap. So it's nice for those sets that you have two sentiments on, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. So let's start with the card base. 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Piece of cardstock that I embossed with the Fern 3D embossing folder, 4 by 5 1/4. The DSP 3 by 4 3/4. And what I did is I used the smallest piece from the Countryside Corners. It's the smallest die right here. To pop that out, a tab that is 2 by 6, scored at 2 and 2.5. 2 sizes of the Nested Essentials, and a 7-inch piece of ribbon. So let's get started. Let me get my labels out of the way. We'll go ahead and fold this along the score line. Let's get some glue. Oh, got a really big piece. It's dried on there. Let's see if some comes out. May have to poke it a bit. Give me a second. There we go. There. Now it's coming out. Center that on there. Take this piece here, and we only want this part to be stuck. So let me get my Stampin' seal, and I want to keep it open on this side. So open on this side. Down. Can save this for another thing. Fold down on the 2-inch and the 1/2 inch, and the long part's going to come out this way. I did use a tag punch, but that one's retired, so I'm going to go ahead and get a hole punch instead, so I can keep current with my stuff, so you can again order what you need. So I'll punch a hole here, and maybe we'll do this. And to make it match, I'll use it as a template. How's that? That way at least it's even. Alright, so we're going to fold it up, long piece in the back here. And it kind of like the waterfall card, if you think about it. You have 2 spots for these 2 items that you're going to do. So I'm going to get some stamps out. Some shaded spruce for some grass. And get my scratch paper here. Let's do some grass here. There we go. And then I've already colored and die cut my rhino. And there's some mini dimensionals on the back of it. So, looks like this. I'm sitting in the grass. Excuse my reach. And you're built tough here. And then on the inside, got a diagonal because it's a long sentiment. You're stronger than you think. Alright. So now we're ready. So we're going to put some adhesive on the first flap here. And that's where the bigger one's going to go. And then you fold down, put some more adhesive here. And this is where the small one's going to go. Try your best to center it accordingly. Let's see if I did a good job. A little crooked. Let me see if I can fix that. There we go. So that's the mechanism. I'm going to slide that in here, and then put some adhesive on this side to hold it down. You want it to stick out just enough so they can grab it. Let's test it out. Yep. Perfect. I think I might need some more adhesive on this one, or push it down. Let's push it down first. Let's see if that helps. Oh, it does. Nice. And my lovely ribbon. I think it's copper clay, one of the new in colors. Easiest part is I was just going to do a knot like that. And there it is. Here's your lovely flip flap card. What do you think? Do you like it? Alright, so put this back with the T on top so I know how to do that. And close up my ink. And that's it. Really super quick video tutorial on the flip flop card, updated with more current items as of today, July 4th, 2023. If you enjoy this video tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe, and you'll get more. And I'm up to, I think this is 112 videos, so please peruse through and see if there's some cards that you may enjoy doing. Thanks for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.